Let me show you this cool product I have on my hands. This is a cordless hot glue gun and is compatible with Milwaukee batteries. This basic kit includes a glue gun and 30 glue sticks, and although the battery is not included, you can still add a battery to the package in the link below or use your own Milwaukee batteries. This glue gun is huge. It's almost the size of my Milwaukee drill and fits perfectly on large hands like mine. And as you can see, you can use Milwaukee batteries on this glue gun, and you can leave it standing versus other models that you have to lay on the surface. This cordless glue gun provides maximum freedom, allowing you to use the glue gun easily and take it anytime, anywhere, and not worry about cables. Fast preheating time of only 1 to 2 minutes. The rapid heating prevents the glue from cooling and hardening in the nozzle. Also, the nozzle is made of insulated silicone to prevent you from being accidentally burned during use, and the shut-off switch ensures that the glue gun will not be accidentally activated. Now let me show you a quick demonstration. And while the glue heats up, let's do a quick comparison against my Milwaukee drill. Look at the size of this thing. It's almost the size of my drill. And you can swap batteries, you can leave it standing up, fits large hands perfectly. And you don't have to worry about messy cables that you have to take and plug everywhere. And the nozzle is made from insulated silicone so you don't accidentally burn yourself. Although it takes a minute to heat up, it's fast once it's ready. This thing goes through the glue sticks the same way a V8 engine burns through gasoline. So let's put this cordless glue gun to the test. This cordless hot glue gun is perfect for a wide range of DIY projects, including arts and crafts, home repairs, creating Christmas gifts, or keep at your workshop. It can work well with plastic, glass, paper, fabrics, and other materials. Just look at how good the glue holds the boxes together. Let's glue these broken earphones back together. See, as you can see, they hold pretty well. Got a broken toy? Don't worry, you can fix almost anything with this glue gun. Let's glue this piece onto this truck's platform. As the glue cures, we can test how strong it is on this box. Now look at this piece. This is not going anywhere anytime soon. So, if you're interested in this hot glue gun and 30-piece glue stick bundle, you'll want to act fast because they're selling out. Keep in mind that the battery is not included, but you have the option to add one before checkout. Or you can use a Milwaukee battery you already own. You can find this in the description below.